In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a PDF viewer in WordPress. PDF format is good to use when you want your files to always have the same layout no matter what device they're viewed on. By embedding PDF files in WordPress, you can share your files while keeping visitors on your website. To do this, first you need to install and activate the PDF Embedder plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, create a new post. Give this post a title, and then click here to add a new block, and search for the PDF Embedder here. Now, click here to select the PDF file. I've already uploaded it to my media library, so I'm just going to select it. And now, publish this post. And let's view the post now. And as you can see, the PDF is displayed here. This is how you can add a PDF viewer in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.